Good morning, students. We have seen work done in isothermal irreversible process. Based on this, we'll consider numericals. First numerical is 3 moles of an ideal gas are expanded isothermally from 15 decimeter cube to 25 decimeter cube at constant external pressure of 1.5 bar. Estimate the amount of work in decimeter cube bar and joule. So first you have to write given. In this case, given first volume is given, so V1 is equal to 15 decimeter cube and V2 is equal to 25 decimeter cube. P is equal to 1.5 bar and W is equal to, you have to find. Next point is formula. So formula is W is minus P into V2 minus V1. Therefore, W is equal to minus P is 1.5 into bracket V2 is 25 minus V1 is 15. So this is equal to W is minus 1.5 into 10. This is equal to W is equal to 15 decimeter cube bar. Okay, so we got answer, that is minus 15 decimeter cube bar. Then W is in joules, as 1 decimeter cube bar is equal to 100 joules. Therefore, W is equal to minus 15 into 100. This is equal to minus 1500 joule. So this is answer. So while solving such type of example, you have to first write given, then write formula, then calculate, and you will get answer in decimeter cube and joule. Next example is calculate the constant external pressure required to compress 2 moles of an ideal gas from volume of 25 decimeter cube to 13 decimeter cube when work obtained is 4862 joules. So first you write given. So V1 is 25 decimeter cube, V2 is 13 decimeter cube, and W is plus 4862 joule, and you have to find P external. As this work is given in joule but volume is in decimeter cube, so first either convert this joule into decimeter cube atmosphere by dividing 100, or you can convert this volume into meter cube, because if volume is meter cube, if pressure is in Pascal or Newtons per meter cube, then you will get answer in joule. So first convert this work into decimeter cube bar. bar. So W is equal to 4862 upon 100. Therefore, W is 48, that is 48.62 decimeter cube bar. Decimeter cube bar. So you will get this answer. Once you got W, then it is positive because work of compression is always positive. So formula is W is minus P external V2 minus V1, V2 minus V1. Therefore, P external is equal to W upon V2 minus V1. So minus P external is equal to 48.62 upon 13 minus 25. So you will get minus P minus 48.62 upon 12. So you will get answer P is equal to 4.052 bar. So this is correct answer. Now first you have to write given V1 is equal to 500 cubic centimeter is equal to 0.5 decimeter cube. V2 you have to find. Then work of compression, therefore it is 36.0 joule, and pressure is 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. In this case, work is in joule, pressure is in Pascal, so volume should be in meter cube. So it is 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube, because 1 decimeter cube is 10 raised to minus 3 meter cube. Then write formula. So W is minus P external V2 minus V1. So this is formula used. Now W is given, so put the value of W. It is 36. Then P external is 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal into bracket V2 minus V1. Therefore, 36 upon 1.2 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal is equal to V2 minus V1. So therefore, V2 minus V1 is equal to minus, so now 36 upon 12, you will get 30 into 10 raised to minus 5 as V1 is given, so V2 minus 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 is equal to minus 30 into 10 raised to minus 5 upon 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So V2 is equal to V2 minus 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3 is minus 30 into 10 raised to minus 5. Therefore V2 is minus 30 into 10 raised to minus 5. If it goes there, it becomes plus 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So V is equal to minus 0.3 into 10 raised to minus 3 plus 0.5 into 10 raised to minus 3. So this is equal to V2 is equal to 200 cubic centimeter. Next example is calculate the maximum work when 24 gram of O2 are expanded isothermally and reversibly from the pressure of 1.6 bar to 1 bar at 298 Kelvin. So first you write given 1 P1 1.6 bar, P2 1 bar, T is equal to 298 Kelvin, W, that is mass of oxygen, is 24 gram, molar mass of O2 is 32 gram, then W you have to find. So formula used is W max is equal to minus 2.303 nRT log to the base 10 P1 upon P2. So substitute the value minus 2.303 into number of moles you have to find. So first we will get N. So N is equal to WO2 upon MO2. So this is equal to 24 upon 32. So you will get 3 by 4. So it is 0.75 mole. So W max is equal to minus 2.303 into 0.75 into 298 into 8.314 joules into log to the base 10 1.6 upon 1. So W max is equal to, if we calculate this, then you will get answer which is minus 873.4 joules. So you can calculate by log, you will get answer, that is minus 8.73.4 joules.